Hi everybody. Today I want to show you this Maker keyboard that I just got. It's really cool. It lights up and comes in a really nice case like this. As you can see, I'm going to open it up and show you. Comes in a nice package like this. So I'm going to take it out of the bag. So I'm going to take it out of the box. It comes with a cheat sheet for all the keys that you can program and the colors. And this is a great gaming keyboard. They focus on the speed of the reaction, what the sensitivity is. There's different, they use a magnetic instead of a spring. And so it's really nice. I'm gonna open it up. All the accessories come right here. And this is basically the USB cable that you wanna use. It comes with a USB cable. It comes with the tool to change the key if you want to change the key. It comes with a replacement key. And I want to focus on this. And this is the keys. And there's, as it shows inside, the difference between this and another keyboard is that they use springs. These are using a magnetic or a magnet to make the key go down or up. So this is a great gaming keyboard because again, it is their key function or their what is making them stand out is the fact that the sensitivity from when you push the keys are it's a lot faster than any keyboard. Now it is supposed to be a mechanical, so it's not just digital sensitivity. So it has the noise when you press the buttons, and it has lights, and I will turn it on in a minute. And again, you can program certain keys to do certain functions. And so right now I'm going to plug the USB to the computer right here. And look at that. That's pretty cool. So again, you can program it to do different things, different colors. Basically, it is a gaming keyboard, and I mean, if you're gonna have your whole setup for gaming, this is it. So um, again, the noise, if you are typing, again, it's the mechanical noise, and I love the colors, and I love this. It's pretty cool. So I hope that you guys find it as beautiful, as bright and colorful, and as technologically advanced and as fast for your gaming purposes as I do.